Namaste, beloved friends. Surya Namaskar, the sun salutation, is one of the most powerful practice. It work on our physical level, it work on our mental level, it work on our emotional level, and by this practice one can easily reach to the meditation state in the deep meditation. So in the physical level, it work on every endocrine glands. It work on every body part, in every muscles, and it make the body flexible. And in the mental level or in the spiritual level, it work on the every chakra. In the subtle form, it work on every chakras. It work, and in the spiritual way, it provide you the deep meditation. So if one want to go in the deep meditation, this is the must do practice for him or her. So in the Surya Namaskar, it's combination of asana, the physical posture, the pranayam, the breathing, and also the meditation. So this is combination of all the three. So this is most amazing practice. You can start at your daily routine, and you can see the improvement in your meditation, in your pranayam, the breathing exercise practices. And it's simple. It was working on the past, it is working now, and it will work on the future also. It is for everyone, for every religion, for every country people. So anyone can practice this. So I will first give you the demo, and then I will explain each and every step how you can perform easily and correct way at your home. So let's start. It is a combination of 14 posture. So first we start with the prayer. There should be a little gap between your both feet, like the hip, same distance. We come into the Namaskar Mudra, the thumb touching to the heart center. The next we move to the second asana. For that the hand was there, and now you take your both hand up, and here focus on your buttocks and tighten the buttocks. So this will give the support to the back, and bend as much as you can. You can go bend more, you can just be there also, whatever your flexibility. Don't go beyond the flexibility. The third, we go gently down. We touch our toes with our fingers, and maybe you can hang like this if you are not flexible that much, so it's not matter. So you can bend also down, more down, and you can also touch your forehead to your knee. The next, we take our right leg back. So here I fix my hand here and take my right leg backward and touch the knee onto the ground, and hands are same with the feet, and I am looking upward. And here you focus on your hip region, opening the hip. So press down the hip, look upward. And now hands are fixed here, they will not move. So now take the left leg also back, and now whole body is on the one line, single line. Look forward. Next, we touch our knee to the ground and sit on the heels. Hands are here, and touch your forehead also the ground. Next, rise up. Now take the body forward, touch the forehead onto the ground, and chest also on the ground. So here only forehead, chest, knees and toes are touching the ground, and hands are not doing this. The elbow are close to each other. Now move up. Now whole body weight on the toes and on the palms. They are not on the knees. Look upward. And here remember, don't do like this. Take the shoulder away from the neck. Next, take the body up and try to touch your heel onto the ground and look upward. Look to your belly center. Next, we repeat again. We touch the knees onto the ground. We sit on the heels and place our forehead onto the ground. Next, we rise up. We take our right leg front, look up. Next, we take our left leg front and touch our finger to the toes, and then take the hands up, buttocks tight, and look up, and then come into the Namaskar position. So these are the 14 posture here. You start with slowly, watch the video again and again, pause the video, and then do the each and every posture correctly. And now you implement, if you learn the posture, then you implement the breathing also. So as you going the posture, you will also implement the breathing. So I will explain with the other leg. So we first do with the right leg and then second leg. So first round and then second round. So here I will explain the breathing. So Namaskar Mudra, normal breathing. Inhale, back, exhale, front. Inhale, take the left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Inhale and exhale here. Again, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, left leg front. Exhale. Inhale and exhale, relax. So I did the first round and then the second round. First round with the right leg and then the second leg and then the left leg. So this is kind of like a dance. So if you do it continuously, it's like flowing, the body is automatically doing it, and it's combination of asana, the physical posture and the breathing, and by this you will reach into the meditation very fast and very deeply. So I will show you the faster way. You can do it if you learn the whole the method. So this is the fast way. You come, first round, second round. So this was the faster way. So by this you can do 108 round within the half hour. Very amazing practice. You start implementing in your morning routine. I am doing every day 60 round, 60, 70, sometimes 80 round also, and after that I am doing the pranayam and then meditation. So very effective in our physical body. It will reduce all the fat, your side fat, belly fat, and it will make your body new. Every day you will feel like you are born again. So this amazing and very powerful practice, and it work on every level of our consciousness. So start implementing this. You start with the 5 round, and then slowly after a week you can increase the 5 round again, 10 round, then 20, then you can do your maximum capacity, and you can feel the difference. The body get purified, the mind get purified after doing this one single Surya Namaskar, the sun salutation. So powerful. So hope you understand whole the process with the physical exercise, with the breathing, and after that you sit for the meditation and just relax and go into the meditation. So hope you like this video, enjoy, and keep practicing, keep implementing, keep experimenting on yourself. So be happy, be healthy, and spread the love everywhere.